Now start today's practical. Practical 17 clinical trials. Steps in clinical trials. First, collection and screening of US knowledge, formation of hypothesis, systematic study of hypothesis, planning, then planning type of trial, open and close, single blind, double blind, triple blind, size of the sample, sample technique, criteria for inclusion, exclusion, selection of group, cases, control, experimental procedure, methodology, or recording procedure, collection of data, analysis by appropriate statistical test, tip number, interpretation and acceptance or a rejection of hypothesis, 6. Recommendation and suggestion, 7. Reference. Then clinical trial. It is new drug actually comparison between old and new drug criteria for inclusion and exclusion of trial is decided beforehand in a scientific manner. The trial requirement at hand. Open clinical trial. Both patient and doctor are aware. Single blind clinical trial. The trial is so planned that participant is not aware whether he belongs to study, group or control. Double blind clinical trial. The trial is so planned that neither the doctor nor the participant is aware of group allocation and treatment received. Triple blind clinical trial. This goes one step further. The participant, the investigator, and the person analyzing the data are all unaware. Purpose of clinical trial. A new drug is thought to be effective in treatment of diseases for which currently no drug is available. If standard drug is available for disease, it is thought that new drug is more effective with less side effect. Then clinical trials. Justification is must. Drug should be given good in vitro result. Drug should be devoid of harmful teratogenic side effects. Then conduct of clinical trial. First, collection of sample. Only those patients which are suffering from the disease and voluntarily interested are included in trial. Old and complicated cases are most. Second, dose fixation. Dose is fixed by investigator according to age and weight frequently with subsequent changes are permitted. Then third, assessment criteria. Dose is fixed by investigator. Assessment criteria for result are fixed. Equipment are special and standardized. Then fourth, ethical clearance. Submitted to ethical committee for approval. Fifth, informed consent. Patients are identified and invited. Selected patients are made aware about new drug of trial. Only those who are giving consent in writing that in spirit of possible risk likely to be included for clinical trial. Then six, group formulation. Two different groups, that is test group and control group, are made. Seven, experimentation. Eight, recording of result. Nine, analysis. The type of clinical trial should be analyzed. Null hypothesis is stated. It is analyzed whether results are improved or not. 10. Reporting. Detailed project of trial is sent to medical journal for publication. In return, multi-center projects are carried out. Then randomized control trial. The use scientific technique to evaluate method of treatment and prevention. An important advance in this field has been the development of an assessment method is called as a randomized controlled trial. It is really an epidemiologic experiment since the introduction of the RCT has questioned the validity of such widely used treatment as oral hypoglycemic agents, chlorosic, vein stripping, tonsillectomy, hospitalization of all patients with multiphasic screening, toxicity, applicability of many preventive therapeutic procedures. Then, the design of randomized control trial is given in following figure. For new program of new therapies, the RCT is the number one method of evaluation. The basic steps in conducting a RCT include the following: drawing up a protocol. Second, selecting a reference and experimental population. Third, randomization. Fourth, manipulation or intervention. Fifth, follow-up. And sixth, assessment of outcome. Then the figure design of randomized control trial. Select suitable population, reference of target population, experimental of study population, make a necessary exclusion, a randomized experimental group, control group, manipulation, follow-up, and assessment. Then make a necessary exclusion, those not eligible and those who do not wish to give consent. Then a random assessment, patient exposed to specific, unexposed to specific. Observation compared to outcome. Then B, a random assessment, patient exposed to specific, unexposed to specific. Observation compare outcome exposed and unexposed to array type. Then diagram of the design parallel crossover control therapeutic style. Thank you very much.